The corrosion near the waterline is severe.
And look at the railing up there, completely broken. This is a massive undertaking.
Look at the pitting here. It goes deep. Yeah, that's definitely compromised. We'll need a full plate replacement. Look at this rust. It's unstable.
We've taped off the worst spots. Let's focus on the main walkway first.
This valve is completely seized. Write that down.
Got it. The corrosion here is extensive.
We'll need a full replacement for this section.
Check zone 4 alpha on the tablet.
Yeah, I've marked the corrosion spread here in orange.
The ultrasound confirms the structural failure at frame 12.
Okay, the assessment is complete. We can move forward with the salvage plan.
Noted.
As you can see here, the corrosion zones align with the stress points.
Right,
which means the load paths need rerouting before transport.
The deflection here is unacceptable. I'm getting a hollow sound with the mallet.
I'll mark it for the support crew.
Make sure you hit that gap right there. We can't have any ingress.
Keep that intake clear. We're almost done here. Copy that. Watching the gauges now.
That strap is secure. Okay, moving to the next one now. Watch your footing.
Keep it centered on the yellow line.
Okay, slight adjustment to port.
Readings look good. Finalize position.
Tension looks good at point 4, preparing to signal the hoist.
Confirmed. Crane, begin the lift sequence now. Slow bell.
Status on the forward stabilizers.
All braces secured, torque confirmed. We are good to go.
Understood. Finalize the tags and report to the bridge.
Control, Alpha team is clear.
Roger that. Proceeding with TAL.
Tug 1, increase RPM slightly, hold steady on the tension.
Copy that. Increasing power. Movement remains stable.
Forward draft looks good. Minor vibration detected near the keel, but within acceptable parameters. Tugboats, maintain current tension.
The starboard side brace is showing consistent low-frequency vibration. Marker readings are stable at point 4.
All right, easy now. Bring her in slow.
Watch the fenders on the port side. Hold that line.
We need 5 more centimeters to port immediately. Hold her steady right there. Confirmed. 5 centimeters to port. Steady as she goes.
Strap secured at point 4.
Load ratings verified. We are clear for tension.
Ascent looks good, but we've got heavy fouling here.
Yeah, look at the barnacles near the waterline. Keep it steady.
The starboard side stabilizer has significant degradation.
Copy that. Adding it to the report now.
We have contact on the aft block. Bring her down 5 centimeters gently.
The feed ship Savannah is secure. Cranes are clear.
Stability confirmed. We are good to proceed with phase 2.
Lockout tag applied. Verify 0 energy.
Verified. We are clear for dismantling.
Dale, dale, sube. Aguanta, aguanta. Cuidado con el borde. Sigue recto. Mount bolts are free. Taps are on the fuel lines. Ready for extraction team.
Stop the hoist. We have 3 inches to the girder. Okay, bump it up slowly. welding on this joint here. The tolerance seems off.
Yeah, I see it. Logging it as a priority fix.
We're lined up perfectly on this side. Same here. Tighten her down.
Check station 420.
Reading nominal. Symmetry verified.
The vibration levels are peaking right here. Adjust the pressure to 80%.
Acknowledged. Pressure adjusted. Readings are stabilizing.
Excellent. Hull integrity confirmed.
Structural phase is complete. We are good to go for painting.
Agreed. The lines are perfect.
There's the line right here. Check the laser line right here.
Yeah, I see the low spot. We'll fix it.
Check the straightage right here.
I see it. Get the block and fare that out now.
Check the alignment on this cleat, please. Looks perfect. Set the torque to 45. Done.
The laser looks good on station 4.
Confirmed. 0.72 millimeters.
Okay, easy now. A little to the left. Hold it right there. Clear to set down.
Check the laser. We need 2/1000ths.
Almost there. Adjust the starboard mount.
Okay, hold it there.
Hand me the 14 millimeter wrench.
Here you go. Are these connections tight enough?
We need to double check the auxiliary systems before the inspection.
Did you get that run labeled yet?
Yeah, just finished securing the ties. It's marked for the bridge system.
Running diagnostics on the helm controls now.
Displays are fully synchronized. We're online.
It's torqued. Go ahead and start the pressure.
Bringing it up slowly. Gauge is climbing.
Hit it with the solution. Looks good.
Solid seal. Nice work.
Airflow is stable at 250 CFM. Good, let's seal this section up.
Power sequence initiated. All systems registering nominal. We have full integration.
Final checks complete across the board. We are green for startup.
Confirmed, engineer. Ready for ignition.
We need another 3 inches on this partition right here. Bolt that support in before lunch.
All right, push it tight against the seam there. Like this? Perfect. Now hold it while I secure the top.
Does this align with the waterline reference?
Almost there, just a few more millimeters to the left.
Bridge, all systems green.
Engine room, pressure holding steady at 20 bar. Verification complete.
Tension looks good on the forward sling.
Agreed, we have water contact. All clear, raise the lines.
Rudder hard to port.
Response time steady at 2 seconds.
Bring it back to center.
Last line is clear from the quay. Roger that. Proceeding to the channel.
Variances on the port stabilizer at high RPM. Helm, maintain present course and speed.
Emergency override engaged. Confirming backup power activation. Systems check complete. All redundancies validated.
Calibration levels are optimized.
Yeah.
Locking in the final settings now.
Performance looks solid across the board.